breaking news. I am Susan, and I am reporting live here outside the FSM's president's office, minutes after the governor just signed into law House Bill number 6917, which authorizes the launching of Atomwas Prime, a super robot that was being created covertly to be launched to the moon. FSM officials worldwide are claiming this to be one of the biggest incidents to ever occurred in the history of Chuka's history.
This is one of the biggest shit that's ever happened in Juk since the Emancipation Proclamation.
Atomwas, attende proclamation is not happening Chuk.
Oh, that's right. My bad, Mr. Congressman.
Citizens island-wide are expressing their concerns through political demonstrations and rallies. Who knows what this project Atomwas Prime will bring? Stay tuned for more news. Once again, this is Susan reporting live from outside the president's office.